welcome to our happy show. So many things we want to know.
Have you ever looked up at the big bright high and wondered what painted our beautiful sky? It isn't a crayon, it isn't a shoe. So how did the ceiling get so very blue? The sun sends a bus that is shiny and white, but deep, deep inside is a rainbow of light. Red, orange, and blue all sit in a row, packed tight together and ready to go. But then they hit air, a giant ball pit, full of tiny bubbles that wiggle and kit. The bus doors fly open, the colors all shout. The race has begun as they all tumble out. Red is a giant on stilts so tall. He steps over bubbles, not hitting at all. He walks in a line straight down to the ground to warm up the flowers and never turn round. But Blue is a sprite with springs on his toes. He bumps into everything everyone knows. Boing goes the Blue as he hit a tiny ball, splashing his paint on the ceiling for all. He zigs and he zags and he bounced so high until he has splattered the whole wide sky. The other friends land, but Blue loves to play. He stays in the air to paint our blue day. So when you look up at the bright deep blue, it's just bouncy Blue saying hello to you.